I'm staying one night at the Flamingo Las Vegas. Join me as I explore this iconic property from the room, the food, the casino, and so much more.
Yeah, 151. All right, so I gotta hang right down here. All right. Room 151. Let's see. Okay, I booked a Studio King suite on the 17th floor, room 151 in the Habitat Tower. This is the newest renovated tower at the Flamingo. So let's check it out. So this room for a studio is really spacious. Just give you a pan around here of the room. So we'll start out right here. We have a little dining area. And I love this old print of the flamingo. That is really cool. There is a thermostat here so you can set the temperature how you need it. When I came in, the room was a little hot, so I did turn the air on. We have a large mirror right there. Love these prints. I love flamingos. Those are beautiful. Nice big LG television right here. And love the lamps. And this couch is really retro and I love it. I've always loved mid-century modern decor. The carpet is obviously very new. We'll check out the view in just a minute. So here is the bed. And what I love is the headboard just spans pretty much the whole wall. I do love the fact that it is a leather like touch. Feels like it's pleather or vinyl. We have a phone. These lamps are really cool, and I do like the side tables. They're matching on either side. We do have another large LG TV here so that you, while you're in bed, can watch. We have a cabinet here for storage. This room does not come with a mini bar. There is a safe. And on this side, there is a fridge to put your own stuff in. So that's pretty cool. There is a little coffee machine, which is complimentary. And then we have ice bucket and cups. The curtains are they're pretty thick. And they're like a snakeskin effect on them. Wallpaper's pretty. We have more flamingo prints here. There is a nice charging port so that you can charge all your stuff, and there is outlets as well, and the stand-up for your phone. So we're going to check out the bed in just a minute to make sure. There is no box spring, which I appreciate. This is a king-size bed. All right, let's check out the view, what we have here. We're supposed to have a habitat view. Oh, and yeah, we do. Very nice. Oh, you can see the pool out there over to the left. I think that is the family pool and not the go pool. But beautiful, beautiful view. Got a little bit of mountain over there. You can see Black Mountain. That's Henderson out there. All right, so let's check this bed. Now, with it being newly renovated, I'm assuming that these are newer mattresses. Oh, it has a mattress encasement on it, which is nice. And I don't see any signs of underneath here. It looks pretty clean. All right, check out the pillows. I do like how they have this, like, looks like it's double pillowcased. They're pretty soft. I do like a firmer pillowcase. I don't see any stains. All right, looking around the room, I mean, the baseboards are very clean. The floors look really clean. There's some scuffs and stuff. Like in this closet side, there are some drawers. Let's take a look. Well, these are pretty clean. There's a little bit of debris. No, there goes a light. There's a light in here. Just standard wooden hangers. We do have an ironing board, luggage rack, and iron. So the bathroom here, it does have a, it's like pocket door slash barn door, and it opens on its own. I don't know if there's a latch on the inside, but here we are at the bathroom. A nice quartz countertop, plenty of towels for us. There's a hair dryer, and we got some tissues and extra toilet paper. Now we're only here for one night. It's a little hand soap here and washcloth, nice. Tissue box. A higher toilet. It's not like a low standard toilet. A little trash can. The shower, it's pretty good size. Nice shower head. It does have this glass door, and then there is a shower curtain that pulls closed so the water doesn't completely come out. So, but overall, very nice. Well, so far, I'm really impressed with this room. The size is great. The decor is beautiful. I really love the mid-century modern feel. Of course, I love flamingos, so the pink touches, not like that bright pink, but beautifully pink. Kind of matches my sweater a little bit. We're gonna go check out the rest of this property, see what it has to offer, get some dinner, and I will catch up with you guys at dinner. Yeah, the steakhouse right here. It's closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, Wednesday through Sunday, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Menu. It's really pretty. They do have a prefix menu. Just off the casino is a food court, food hall. We got Aunt Annie's, Johnny Rockets, New York Pizza Kitchen, Bonanno's New York Pizza Kitchen, Wing Zone, and Nathan's. And up towards the front is Gordon Ramsay Burger. So this is one of his newest locations. Very large menu. All right, so we're having dinner at Havana 1957. This is their dinner menu. The staff here is really knowledgeable about the gluten allergy, which is awesome. So I can have the churrasco, the ropa vieja. The salmon is also gluten-free, the roasted pork, and the vaca frita. The one thing I cannot have, though, is black beans. They put soy sauce in it, so I'll be having for the sides green salad and white rice. And then the drink menu, they have a lot. And we're here between 3 and 6. We're here at 5 p.m. and it's during happy hour. So I'm gonna have a mojito, which I'm gonna do the coconut one, and it's $19. But when you look at the happy hour menu, it's like half price. So And then they have some bites down here, which I can't have any of those because of the gluten allergy. All right, we're gonna give this a try. Actually, this is sugar cane, so. Wow, that's good. Love it. Let's start with a salad here. Some of the rice with the Wow, that's so good.
So you didn't eat a bar? I did too. Oh, you did? Yes,
All right, let's try it. With the raspberry sauce, so good. It has walnuts on the side as well. I have to say the service here, the food, everything is excellent. Yard House has been here for a long time. Jabrico sushi burritos. Flour and barley. And they have gluten-free pizza. Virgil's Barbecue. I've been here for quite some time. Let's start her. Bonus and a bonus. Come on. Full screen of doors. Okay, not that. Full screen of doors. Oh my gosh, you're gonna do it again to me, Hank. Okay. Balls, balls, balls. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Imagine if that had been full screen, I would have won the freaking grand of 75,000. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Smack a major. Come on. Ah, that one's dark. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Come back to life. Come back to life. Come on. Do it, do it, do it. Oh my gosh. Give me $75,000. Come on. Come on, Hank. Okay, here we go. Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh. Oh my gosh. Small balls, but who cares? That was exciting. Nice. Nice. We still have, what, 4 games left? 3 games. Can we do it again? Do it again, balls? Okay. Oh, be balls. Ah, daggum. Nice. $85 refund. Good morning.
Good morning. We are at Portadita Coffee House to grab coffee. Boyfriend did get a pastry. They don't have any gluten-free here for breakfast. Got a pistachio latte. Let's try it with oatmeal. That's nice. That's really nice. Okay, so we opted to eat at Office Strip in the Lake Promenade today. The options at the Flamingo are quite limited. They have Starbucks, the Portadito coffee shop, and then Havana 1957 offers breakfast. But since we ate there last night, we wanted to try something different. So they substituted the toast with the fresh fruit for me.
The Maitreya Buddha is best known as the Laughing Buddha. All right, let's get to the details. So the bed, actually really enjoyed it. It's firm, so very comfortable for me. But the pillows, really soft. They're the down feather pillows, so you have to roll them up, tuck them under your neck. At least I do anyway, to get comfortable. The overall room, love the aesthetic, love the decor. The room rate, let's get to that. What I ended up paying was $166.05. $20 of that was for early check-in. And they do put a hold on the room of $50 a night. So make sure you budget that. If you haven't checked out my last video on Fontainebleau, that review, I will link it here or here. Not sure which side yet. Make sure you check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me know if you stay at the Flamingo, and make sure you subscribe. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.